This week's Supreme Court race was a close one. At the time of this recording, with all precincts in, the unofficial results gave Judge Brian Hagedorn a 5,960 vote lead over Lisa Neubauer. There were nearly 1.2 million votes cast. Early Tuesday night, before all the votes were in, Judge Neubauer's campaign indicated they were likely to initiate the recount process. I thought it'd be a good idea to give everyone a recount refresher. The last statewide recount in Wisconsin was the 2016 presidential election. Trailing by more than 1.3 million votes, the Green Party's Jill Stein requested a recount even though the largest change in a statewide recount nationwide was Florida in 2000 when the margin changed by a little over 1,200 votes. We passed reforms in 2017 to help prevent frivolous recount requests. The reforms also give clerks the time they need to thoroughly conduct a legitimate recount and make sure that counties in the state are fully reimbursed. Now, only candidates who trail the leading candidate by 1% or less may request a recount. County clerks have 15 extra days to figure out costs associated with a recount and submit them for reimbursement. Finally, the loophole was closed that prevented the Wisconsin Election Commission from recouping tens of thousands of dollars in certain recount-related costs. There are no automatic recounts in Wisconsin. A candidate must request one. If the vote margin is within 0.25%, the costs will be covered for them. If the vote margin is larger, the candidate requesting the recount will have to cover the cost. The Supreme Court recount in the 2011 race between Joanne Kloppenburg and Justice David Prosser cost more than $500,000. Judge Neubauer can request a recount but has yet to do so. If she does, she will have to cover the costs, which are estimated to be around $2 million. Once Judge Neubauer submits her petition, the recount will start a few days later. During the recount, poll lists will be reconciled, absentee ballots are reviewed, provisional ballots are checked, ballot bags and containers are examined, ballot counts are reconciled, and votes are recounted. Results need to be in to the Elections Commission 13 days after the recount is ordered. I hope this refresher was helpful. I will continue to provide updates if and when the recount process gets underway. Thanks for watching.